Before a choir had gathered, before a hymn was sung, creation breathed its worship in stars and silver tone. The oceans roared in reverence, the mountains bowed in flame, the winds took flight in wonder, and thunder praised your name. No human voice can silence the chorus earth has known. For every living creature still sings before your throne. I join the unseen anthem, where galaxies proclaim that all which you have spoken returns to sing your name. So let my praise be endless as rivers to the sea, for I am part of a worship that spans